perhaps a hybrid type model would work better for us? Is there anything out there that you're seeing that could be more applicable to the context of the Philippines, wherein we don't want the politicians fully controlling the oil supply and oil prices?
Attorney, nakikita rin kasi natin, yung oil deregulation and free market is not working. Itong mga big players are raking a lot of money, pero lahat ini-impose sa consumers. So either side, hindi umuubre. Kaya yung iniisip natin, ano yung middle ground? Ano yung posible? Halimbawa, ngayon, tumaas ng more than 100% yung price ng oil sa Pilipinas. Pero yung ating mga ibang bansa, at most 37%. So, pwede nyo bang ipaliwanag bakit tayo sobrang taas yung increase? Tapos yung ating mga neighbors at yung ibang bahagi ng mundo, hindi naman ganun kataas ang increase. Is this the oil deregulation law? Is this the free market? Na talagang sobra yung increase ng ating price ng oil?
Yun po, sa bakit ganun kataas yung increase ng oil prices natin is mga oil companies po natin yan pwede tanungin. So, ang nangyari po kasi sa atin, we went to the extreme. Dati po kasi, so nakita natin, nagkaroon po tayo ng bad experience with governance, especially during yung dictatorship po, no, nung before 1986. So, we went to the extreme side of the equation. Nag-deregulate po tayo and we gave all power dito po sa mga private oil companies na ito. And we have so little regulation po talaga. So little regulation. Gaya nga po oil deregulation law. Napaka-konti po ng powers ng government to intervene. At ang problema po dito, ito ang nag-i-impose po ng presyo, ito pong oil companies na to. And of course, all of them seek profit kasi that's what they are there for. They're all profit-oriented. And pangalawa po, ito pong mga oil companies, they cannot, kunyari, hindi po sila pwedeng mag-establish ng long-term strategic petroleum reserve kasi magastos po yun for them. There are limited po ang pwedeng gawin ng private oil companies to help people kasi po sila ay profit-oriented. So kapag magastos na po para sa kanila ang isang bagay, kunyari, long-term, bakit 30 days lang ang inventory nila, ang required, minimum 30 days lang. Bakit hindi 6 months? Kasi masyadong magastos yun for them. Ayaw nilang malugi. Kaya limitado lang po ang pwedeng gawin ng private oil company. So ang kailangan natin hybrid system na mag-reintroduce naman po tayo ng some government regulation sa energy industry. Kaya para po kailangan po 'yun eh. Kaya po pumapasok ang gobyerno para po tumulong sa taong bayan. Kung ano yung hindi kayang gawin ng private sector dahil magastos para sa kanila, doon po pumapasok ang gobyerno. Just to give you an example po, Napocor was created in the 1930s. Dati po, private sector lang po ang energy industry ng Pilipinas. Ngunit, ang binibigyan lang po ng kuryente ng private sector noon, yung malalaking cities. Kasi, with big populations, kasi doon sila kumikita ng pera. They did not provide electricity sa mga rural areas na maliliit ang populasyon kasi maliit ang kita nila doon. So that's why, during the time of President Manuel L. Quezon, and at the initiative na rin nila General Douglas MacArthur, in-establish po yung government-owned National Power Corporation para ang gobyerno ang magpo-provide ng kuryente sa mga rural areas with smaller populations para mabigyan sila ng kuryente. Yung mga lugar na hindi po maserbisyuhan ng private sector, gobyerno ang tutulong doon. Kasi yun naman talagang ang mandato ng gobyerno ang tumulong sa taong bayan. So, maganda po, mixed system po tayo na let's have a dynamic private sector, okay? Maganda po yung initiative nila, maganda po yung they can infuse money sa ating energy industry, that's good. Pero at the same time, we have to reintroduce some regulation po talaga kasi we went to the far extreme na halos wala po talagang regulation. We have to introduce regulations and also the government has to step in na tumulong sa taong bayan at mag-impose ng price controls at merong reserbang crudo, may reserve oil para tumulong naman sa taong bayan during times of emergencies.